Welcome to all. Let's talk about health benefit of L-Carnitine. Fat loss and weight management. It enhances fat burning by promoting the transport of fatty acid into mitochondria for energy production, supporting weight loss efforts. Improved exercise performance. L-Carnitine may boost endurance, reduce fatigue, and accelerate recovery after exercise by increasing fat oxidation. Heart health. It supports cardiovascular function by improving fat metabolism, lowering cholesterol, and potentially benefiting those with heart conditions. Cognitive function. Acetyl L-carnitine, it is a form of L-carnitine, may help to protect brain cells, improve memory, and alleviate symptoms of age-related cognitive decline. Diabetes support. L-carnitine can enhance insulin sensitivity and help to regulate blood sugar levels, benefiting people with type 2 diabetes. Kidney health. It may improve energy levels in individuals undergoing dialysis by preventing carnitine deficiencies. Male fertility. It can improve sperm quality and motility, potentially aiding in male infertility. Thank you for watching.